皆さんこんにちは。Hello everyone. Thank you for visiting my lesson. This lesson provides Kanji reading and writing basic principles. Before you move forward to learn Kanji, by knowing the basic principles of reading and writing, it will greatly help in future learning and make Kanji more approachable and familiar. So I hope you will find benefits from this lesson. Now let's get started. 始めましょう。Here a bit about kanji. Kanji is originated in China and came to Japan in the 5th century. Kanji is an ideographic script having both meaning and sound. Before we learn kanji, please keep in mind that the kanji characters have both reading principles and writing principles. You can apply these principles to most of the kanji characters, so it is important to learn these principles before you move further learning kanji. First, let's see reading principles. For most of kanji characters, there are two ways to read, so let's see what they are. Now we have a kanji character here. Remember, a kanji character has meaning. This kanji presents sky, air, or empty. So find out two ways to read it. Now, the first one is read in sora, sora. And then second one is kuki, kuki. So different sound in the same kanji. So the first one, sora, is we call kunyomi, kunyomi. The second one is onyomi, onyomi. So the kunyomi and onyomi are important principles when you learn kanji. So let's see what they are. Now first, let's see the kunyomi. Kunyomi is created for Japanese literary readings to make them more meanings. So, in the case of kunyomi, you can understand the meaning by reading the kanji. In this case, you read this kanji, sora. So then sora means sky. Next is onyomi. Onyomi is phonetic readings derived from Chinese characters. Onyomi often requires combining with other kanji or hiragana to form a meaning since it involves applying specific readings to the characters. So in this case, kuki, it's read ku. It's not sora. So, ku does not mean anything, but combine with ki, then it becomes kuki. Kuki means air. Let's see more kanji. This kanji means water. Now let's see kunyomi, by which reading makes meaning. Let's see how to read in kunyomi. In kunyomi, it's read mizu, mizu, which means water. How about the onyomi? Suiyobi, suiyobi. Sui combines with yobi becomes suiyobi, so which means Wednesday. Completely different meaning between kunyomi and onyomi. So let's see the next one. So this kanji for kunyomi, it's read ki, ki. Ki means tree. How about onyomi? Mok and combined with yobi becomes mokuyobi. So mokuyobi means Thursday. Now let's see the next one. For kunyomi, this kanji is read ima, ima, which means now. How about onyomi? Kyo combined with another kanji, then which means today. Kyo means today. How about this one? For kunyomi, it's read in hito, hito. Hito means person. Now onyomi, jin. Jin combined with nihon, then becomes nihonjin. Nihonjin means Japanese. Next one, for kunyomi, this kanji is read in me, me, which means I. How about the onyomi? With this kanji and combined with another kanji, then read in mokuji, mokuji, which means table of contents. Let's see one more kanji. For this kanji, unlike other ones, it's combined with hiragana for kunyomi and read in manabu, which means learn. For kunyomi, some kanji characters are combined with hiragana to complete meaning like this. So just to remember. Now let's see onyomi. It's read in gakko. Ga is combined with ko. Then read the gakko, which means school. So as you can see, most of the kanji we just learned for both kunyomi and onyomi, those meanings are somehow connected or related, so you can guess the meanings. Now we are moving to the writing principles. So when you write kanji, there are two basic rules for strokes. One is write from left to right horizontally. Another one is to write from up to down vertically. So now let's see an example. Now we have one kanji here. So let's see how to write. The first, the from up to down, and also the start from the left side of the kanji character. Second, from left to right and go down in one stroke. Left to right and left to right to close. So now this is very basic writing stroke. You will learn and get used to them as you can learn more kanji. So I will post some kanji lessons so that you can learn and practice more. So keep learning. Your next step is learn numbers 1 to 10 in kanji. So you will see more kanji principles you learned in this lesson. So keep learning. Thank you.